Wear the crown, you deserve it. The sooner you realize your full potential, the faster you will achieve your goals and fulfill your dreams. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, like and share this video if you enjoy it. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can know every single time I upload. So today's video is all about taking the crown and wearing it, being in control and not waiting for people to give you that title. Sometimes we spend so much of our time waiting for people's validation, waiting for people to give us the title of being great. For example, in a workplace where you're waiting for someone to call you a manager because you're so great. Let's say you're trying to become a doctor or whatever career you might be trying to achieve, and you're waiting for people to give you that title. Sometimes you have to realize your full potential. Why not start showing up as that person? Why not start acting as a businesswoman already? You can't wait for people to tell you that you're now a businesswoman. Why not act like someone that's already in the business? You can't try and be an entrepreneur, a businesswoman or whatever it is, but you're behaving like someone that doesn't want it. All your actions are saying otherwise. You have to take the crown and wear it and run with it and start from there. You have to believe that you can do it. When you put your mind to it, you do it. So why not already start working your way towards it? If, for example, if you want to start your own business, why not start by reading and developing your mind and broadening yourself in the business world? Why not start the process and take the crown and be the businesswoman that you want to be? Take the steps towards achieving whatever you want to be and really put yourself in that position. What does someone that has what you're trying to achieve look like? Study how they behave, study how they, what their day-to-day is like, and see how you can incorporate that in your own way that you feel comfortable. Of course, you're not going to be this amazing public speaker if you don't even like talking to people. So you have to start putting yourself in situations where you can become that person. Slowly but surely putting yourself in a situation where you can work towards being that person. No one is responsible for giving you what you want. You have to get what you want. You have to take action to get what you want, and no one owes you anything. Owe it to yourself to give yourself that title, to give yourself the crown, to wear the crown and be as proud as can be. But as long as you're taking the steps towards achieving those goals, you have to fearlessly go in the direction of your dreams. No matter how much money you don't have, no matter how much time you don't have, you always create time for the things you want. No one's going to give it to you. No one's going to give you the title. You have to work for it and get it for yourself. As into your own hands. Take the action. Nothing happens if you don't take action. Thank you for watching, guys. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a comment. Let me know what action you're taking towards becoming the best version of yourself, and I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.